How to upload resume on LinkedIn. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your LinkedIn account that you would like to upload the resume to, and the next would be heading over to the top of your screen and you want to click on me. Now scroll over to where you see settings and privacy and tap on it. Now go to the right hand side of your screen and click on data privacy. Now you want to scroll down to where you see job seeking preference, and under that you want to check for job application settings and tap on it. Now at this point on your screen you should see upload resume. Now you want to tap on that. Now you are going to be looking for the file. You want to go to the location where your file is, and when you find it, tap on it and click on open. And guys, after a few minutes you will notice that your resume has been uploaded on LinkedIn. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.